Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect Git to Squarespace. Now, the simple way we're going to do this is that we're going to embed. So from Git here, you want to go onto Grow section here. On Grow, you want to go to Landing Page and Forms. On Landing Pages and Form, I'm going to create a new form. Now on Create a Form here, I'm going to do either an inline, Mattel, or slide in. I'm just going to do a Mattel like here. And on Mattel, you can pick a template like this. I'm just going to do Monterey, choose, click on that. After that, click on Publish. Now in here, you can see it'll give us a form to embed, right? Now just pick whichever one you want. It depends on Squarespace, but I'm just going to do an HTML embed here. Just click on Copy, go back to Squarespace, and on your website here, click on Edit. On Edit, I'm going to click on Add Block. On Add Block, I'm going to click on Embed. On Embed, I'm going to double click it, and on the content, I'm going to do code snippet. I'm going to click on Embed Data. I'm going to paste in the code from earlier, and then we're done. Now you can see right now it says script disabled because it's logged in and editing to your site. So you will have to publish your Squarespace website first. But this script is working and the embed is also working, and your Git and your Squarespace is now interconnected and intertwined. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.